Hello everyone, here is Lakshman Mani to discuss with you about the numericals by using psychrometric chart. So I will take here one sample numerical by using psychrometric chart. This is a numerical. So in this numerical, drivable temperature, relative humidity is air that is supplied, and it is mentioned cooling and humidification process, and then it is reheated also to the coil temperature 13. Condition is ambient conditions are given, flow rate is also given, and we are asked to calculate these various parameters, capacities, bypass factor. So first of all we have to locate the point. We are given what data, so by that we can point number 1, ambient air with a drivable temperature 32 and 5, point number 1 we can locate. Then we are given ADP, that is 13 degree. So first of all locate the point number 1, locate the point number 13, join the line. That this line we will get. Okay, then here we are given supply rate meter cube per hour, convert that into meter cube per second. This problem has two steps, first cooling and humidification and then reheating. So here 1 to this up to 3 process, currently we don't know where is 3, but 1 to 3 is a cooling process, and then 3 to 2 is again heating process, and 4th is a coil temperature. Here comes the concept of bypass factor 2,4. So now first of all TD2 temperature, that is temperature of room 25 and 60, that is given. So we can locate this two temperature or 2 point by using the condition given. Now we got point number 2, then point number 2, from that heating, we know heating, that is horizontal, so draw the horizontal line. Okay, that line will touch to this inclined line 1 ADP at point 3. Okay, so we got here point number 3, that is temperature TD3. Now by using bypass factor formula for heating coil, we can write equation, that is TD4 minus TD2 divided by TD4 minus TD3. This is the process. This opposite difference divided by total difference, that is our general formula. So here bypass factor is given, TD2, TD3 are known, unknown is what? TD4, that is heating coil temperature. So TD4 we get. When we get TD4, then we can extend this line up to the TD4 temperature. Next part is bypass factor of cooling coil. Now bypass factor of cooling coil, how to obtain? Here is now 1, we got 3 point, so 1 to 3 is a cooling process, and 3 to ADP is inefficiency. So this opposite difference divided by total difference, 1 minus ADP total difference, and this opposite difference 3 minus ADP. So values we can put in the formula, TD3 minus ADP divided by TD1 minus ADP, values we put, and bypass factor of cooling coil will get. Capacity of cooling coil, how to obtain? By using formula MA, mass of air, into 1 to 3 is a cooling process, so H1 H3 the difference. MA calculate V1 upon VS1. V1 is given, VS1 from psychrometric chart, so V1 in meter cube per second. So actually here V1 is given, V1 is given here in meter cube per hour, that convert it into second by dividing it, multiplying it by 3600, that kg per second we will get. Dividing 15,000 divided by 3600, so that value we get. That value we use here V1 upon S1, V1, that value, and this is enthalpies from the chart H1 S3. By putting, we get first of all answer in kilowatt, divided by 3.517, we can convert that into TR, turn of refrigeration. Now the last is water removed during the cooling process. So how to obtain? We 1 and 3 corresponding specific humidity values W1 and W3 from the chart. We write here MA value already we calculated, divided by 3600. Why? Because convert that into R, so kilogram per R, water removed per R. So in this way we can solve the various problems based on this by using psychrometric chart. Thank you.